if you're trying to get more sales, you need to check out Shopify. So if you're an e-commerce brand and you have an online store, there's a high likelihood that a lot of the brands you love are already using Shopify. It's a very easy platform. It's really great at arranging products, collections of those products, and just a nice, sleek user experience for anyone. What we suggest to break through the noise and actually get people to go to your awesome web store is first focus on advertising. So you want to drive people to your store, but you also want to make sure that they're people that are relevant, not just anyone. A lot of people make the mistake of casting too wide of a net. It doesn't really track results. The next thing is push it on social media. And when you are pushing it on social media, make sure you have clear photos that reflect the brand. And then you also want to make sure that you have links for everything, right? You want to tag your product, which it connects directly to Shopify on a lot of platforms. A lot of people aren't doing that, and they're just kind of hoping you figure it out. Now, part of hoping they figure it out is when people aren't using a clear call to action. So a call to action being a button or even just a directive that says, order now, browse products, shop now, click to pre-order. It tells people exactly what to do because the psychology is if you're not directing someone, they're not going to know what to do. Even if it's very smart consumers, there's less urgency if you don't have a clear call to action. And then on top of that, you want to focus on SEO. So whether it's a product page, whether it's your main page, you want to find the keyword that works for you or works for your industry. You want to make sure that you have a nice, rich SEO health and just use all over your page. And that's, again, homepage and product pages. So what usually happens is on a product page, it'll be like, this is hand sanitizer. Okay, so it's not the minimum words that SEO gives you a good ranking for, and it just is missing out on a lot of very important stuff. On top of that, you want to make sure that your brand actually sticks out. So you're competing with thousands, if not millions, of other companies out there. They're all doing a similar thing. They're selling you a product. So why not have bags that stick out? Why not have bright photos or flashy taglines, things like that? It's always more simple to do. People are just afraid to make that leap. And again, when you're focusing on e-commerce, and we're in a time where everyone is ordering things online and it's becoming more than the norm, it's what we do as human beings. We're at home, we click an order on Amazon or we click an order from some web page. It gets delivered directly to you. So how do you convey that to people? So just be clear in your messaging, be unique, which is almost more important than being the best, right? And then just make sure you're utilizing the platform with everything you can do on it. So you can literally Google cool things on Shopify, or you can read our blog, which, hey, you're on now. So anyway, hopefully that helps. Rootless Coffee Co., that's the coffee brand we're talking about, and Karma Jack. Good karma, better marketing.